Today on LA's Musical Adventures, we're exploring the Riviera Resort at Disney World in Florida. Hey there, rock stars! Look at you, you're looking fabulous today. And thanks for making it to my little corner of the world. Wow, you found my indie channel that's been up and running for less than a year. Thanks for being here. I've been looking at my analytics and your message is clear. The rock stars want more room tours. Okay. We'll break up the LA lore of my journey as a full-time musician with some fabulous places I've had the privilege of traveling to. We're here at the Riviera Resort for a whole week because LA, la la la, goes a-traveling. Well, I am part mermaid, so of course the pool area has me captivated, but honestly, this is my second time staying at the Riviera for a week, and I'm lucky if we find 2 hours to make it to the pool and jacuzzi. We go so hard in the Disney parks, we rarely have downtime. Alright, before we make it to the room tour, I've got to go off about this pool area because, babe, she's giving luxury. She's giving sip your drink with your pinky up energy. You know what I'm saying? She's giving straight mermaid dreams over here. I mean, look at this view. It's like Disney said, here's a postcard, but made it real life. Okay, so did I actually make it out here to swim? Girl, I wish. The beginning of our trip, I had big poolside relaxation plans, but the reality? I was out there running around like a child on Pixie. We didn't make it to the pool mainly because it was too chilly, so the only water action I got was at Tiana's Bayou at the Magic Kingdom. The Riviera pool is 10 out of 10 for the vibe. The pool is stunning, but I'm definitely the kind of Disney adult who says I'm gonna chill, and then ropes drops Epcot with a croissant in one hand and the Disney Plus alert in the other. Do you feel me? If you know, you know. Hey rock stars, should we go check out our room for the week? Okay, let's go. But first, remember when I said I was a small indie channel? Well, thanks for supporting my channel with your views, but also I have a goal of 500 subscribers before the end of 2025. What do you think? Can you help me reach my goal? I can't do it without you. Okay, enough jibber jabber. Let's go tour this room. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for a room tour? Are you ready? Are you ready for the room tour? Yeah. So we vacation at Disney with Josh's family, and it's at least 6 of us, but sometimes Josh's brothers bring a friend or a girlfriend, so we end up traveling as a 7-piece oftentimes. Josh and I arrived at the Riviera a few hours after the rest of the crew made it there. Instead of filming us settled in and messy, we got Giraffe Boy to handle the room tour for us. Shout out to Josh's brother, Giraffe Boy, for filming the hotel rooms before we got settled in there and junked the place up. Speaking of Josh's brothers, when we come to the Riviera as a group of 6 or 7, the boys usually crash out here in the living room. There are 2 pull-out Murphy beds, so it works perfectly. Now, here's some footage of the pull-out beds that the high school boys have to sleep on. It's not too bad. If I was in high school, I'd be like, hell yeah, I'd sleep on that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. And check out this fridge. It's a little more impressive when we have it stocked, but like I said, we filmed this before we got all settled in, so it is what it is. What? This place is stocked with dishes, cutlery, pots, and pans? Hey, that's great. I've been to plenty of hotels that give you a kitchen and some storage, but no actual utensils. Here you could make a quick ship delivery and be cooking up your own meal in no time. The kitchen's got everything you need. Shout out Shipped. Let's do a sponsorship. I used to use the hell out of that service during COVID. Yeah, rock stars, this is where Josh and I are staying for the week, and you see these double beds? When he gets on my nerves, I move to the other one. Ha, I'm just kidding. Is there any way we can push these things together? Because that would be the ticket. Oh, hey, there's the guy behind the camera. Shout out Cooper. I see you. We did it, rock stars. We made it to our home for the week. I actually had a performance the day before we drove down, and it was in South Carolina, so we were already a few hours into our road trip to Florida from there. And honestly, I got a lot of crap for choosing time for myself and my family instead of saying yes to every performance opportunity over the holidays. But this time I chose to live for what truly makes me happy and for the people I love. Because at the end of the day, making memories with them is way more important than any amount of money.
My name is Doug.
Okay, back on tour. We were here during the winter season, and let me tell you, I took full advantage of this shower after a long day of trekking through the Disney park. The water temperature never wavered. I kept it on steamy hot for as long as I needed. I got a total cozy reset after the chaos of the parks and those showers at the Riviera, let me tell you. Instead of heading down to the jacuzzis like I should have done, I cozied up right here in these amazing showers. And honestly, no regrets. It was way too cold out there. Whew. Anyways, I'm getting a little dizzy over here trying to keep up with this Gen Z director behind the camera. Josh's parents stayed here, of course, in the master bedroom. But hey, maybe one day this channel will get monetized and I'll be able to book the Disney trips and get the master bedroom status, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, I'm just now realizing that we forgot to film some footage on the balcony, but I guess the next time we make it to the Riviera, that's exactly what we'll have to do. This 2-bedroom suite was seriously spacious, perfect for a group or family. Anyways, that concludes our Riviera room tour. Now we're heading to brunch at Topolino's. Topolino's is a French and Italian-inspired restaurant on the top floor of the Riviera Resort. This restaurant is known for the rooftop views of Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios. Whoa, there's Donald Duck and the mouse of the hour. Rock stars, we found him! Mickey Mouse! Oh my, I'm such a goober for getting so excited. We're a bunch of grown people at this table, no kids. No excuses to be so giddy. Ah, yeah, that's right. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Woohoo! Yeah.
You look like you're eating a whole food.
I don't think so, actually. Ooh, what did you get?
I got steak and eggs.
Wow, that was good. Ooh, some holidays.
Eggs Benedict Florentine.
Oh, eggs Benedict. Nice. And prosciutto avocado toast. Jump scare. Just kidding. It's Minnie Mouse. Who could be scared of that gal? She's looking adorable in her French Riviera getup. Go on, Minnie. Work it, girl. Disney adult alert. Me having to get up out of my seat to go hug on Donald over there. Y'all, look, he's laughing at me. Sassy girl Daisy coming through.
You'll be bringing your kids here. Maybe. Hopefully.
I've already mentioned how iconic Topolino's rooftop is, but while we were staying at the Riviera for a week, we managed to grab a reservation for dinner. The meal was absolutely delectable, and the fireworks show afterward, pure Disney magic. I didn't really need dessert. That view is the cherry on top of an ice cream sundae. That's all I need right there, baby. But check out that dessert, though. Speaking of fabulous desserts, let me show you another one of Josh and I's favorite spots here at the Riviera. Le Petite Cafe is our go-to for coffee in the morning. And okay, sometimes we splurge on one of these bougie delights behind the glass. I mean, look at the details on these desserts. Some of them even have gold flakes on top. It's giving edible art gallery energy over here. Alright, rock stars, which dessert do you think we chose? Pause the video and drop your guesses in the comments right now. 3, 2, 1. Well, we went with the seasonal gingerbread cake, and y'all, it was so pretty, I couldn't resist. The holiday vibes were strong, and look at how unique this is. The cake was super moist. That white layer there is a rich cream cheese frosting, and the red glaze on top is some sort of cranberry jelly ring. Honestly, it was like Christmas in my mouth.
Ooh. Delicious.
Heading to Bar Riva after swooning over desserts and getting all fat and sassy because it's the holidays and why not treat yourself? Let's talk cocktails at the pool bar. Hey, there's fountain drinks too. Riva is such a magical European themed bar, and I told myself I was gonna spend way more time out here. Maybe one day I'll take the time to chill by the Riviera poolside. I get FOMO way too much whenever I'm here on the Disney properties. There's so much to do, I don't wanna miss anything. My happy place, just give me a beachy drink and a pool float and I'm good. But let's be real, when you're at Disney, ain't no time for chillaxing by the pool. It's time for lightning lanes, mobile ordering, and park madness. Still, I had to take a moment to walk through the pool bar area and out to the beach. It was so peaceful out here, perfect for a mental reset before heading back into the pixie dust whirlwind. Hey Rockstars, check out our room. Oh no, what's that in the window? Is it a ghost? Oh no, it's just Cooper being a giraffe boy. I was worried there for a second. Okay y'all, this vlog was supposed to be just a room tour, but I can't stop fangirling over the Riviera. Another perk about staying here is the easy access into the parks. Having a Skyliner gondola transportation option is so convenient. It takes no time to get in and out of the parks. Oh yeah, and don't forget there are restrooms at these Skyliner stations, which, if you're anything like me, is essential because somehow the last bathroom break always turns out to be a full-blown emergency by the time we're heading home. Hey, if you're still watching at this point in my video, I want to say thank you. You're a true rock star and I appreciate you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hey, since you're still here, I want to share one more piece of Disney magic with you guys. One of my absolute favorite things about this resort is the Rapunzel and Peter Pan mosaic archway. Let's go check it out. These murals are hidden gems tucked right between the towers, and they tell a story all on their own. It's pure Disney artistry, and it stops me in my tracks every single time. We can fly, we can fly, we can fly. Quick, somebody sing out a Rapunzel song. Uh-oh, I'm over here looking like a Disney poser now because I don't know any Rapunzel song. Hey, let me know your favorite Rapunzel song in the comment section. Okay, rock stars, that's about it for me today. Hopefully I've been able to capture even a fraction of the beauty and magic of Disney's Riviera Resort. I wasn't expecting this vlog to be so long, but honestly, after a full week of memories, this was the shortest I could make it while still sharing all the good memories. And yes, the Riviera is absolutely stunning. What I'm most grateful for is the chance to spend time with people I care about, to laugh, to eat amazing food, and to experience the magic together. These are the memories that truly fill my heart and remind me what life is all about. Not the hustle, not the checklist, but these sweet, happy moments we get to share together. Hey, I've got a special shout out to Magical Meanders. She plans all of our Disney trips, and let me tell you, she's a total Disney pro, like next level. If you're looking for tips, tricks, and creative vacation ideas you've probably never thought of, you need to go check out her YouTube channel. Her vlogs have totally changed the way we plan for Disney. So definitely give her a follow. We took this trip together and she's even let me borrow some of her B-roll footage. So go and compare her Riviera review to this vlog to see if you can find which shots we shared. Thanks again for coming along on this journey with us. I hope we made you smile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share this with somebody who could use a little Disney sparkle today. That's it for LA's musical adventures. We'll catch you next time because LA, 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 la la la, go travels a traveling.